Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. As you know, my previous class was depend on properties of addition and subtraction. Now today let us we discuss about properties of multiplication. In this property, first is a change in the order of number in a multiplication does not change the product. The meaning is if you change the number in any order, then product would not be changed. For example, in this example, what you are looking, 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. In example 1, 5 is first number, 4 is in the second number, and product is 20. But in second example, 4 is in first number, 5 is in second number. After multiplication, what you are looking, the product will be 20. The meaning is if you change the order of any number, then product would not be changed. The meaning is product will be same as you are looking in these two examples. Okay. The next property is the product of three number does not change with a change in regrouping. The meaning is suppose you have three number 2, 3 and 4. So how will you find out the product in these three numbers? There are two methods. First, we make the group for first and second number. As you are looking in first example, we make a group for 2 and 3. So 2 3 are 6 and 6 multiplied by 4, then you will get 24. In second example, what you are looking, in these three numbers 2, 3 and 4, first we make the group for second and third number and we will find out the product. So 3 4s are 12. Now then after 12 multiplied by 2, then you will get 24. The meaning is the product of three numbers does not change with a change in regrouping. The meaning is if you make a group in multiplication in any order, then final value or product would not be changed as you are looking in these two examples. Okay. The next property is the product of any number by 1 is the number itself. The product of any number by 1 is the number itself. For example, if you multiplied by 1 in any number, then final value will be same. 5 1 ja 5. 8 multiplied by 1, you will get 8. The meaning is multiplied by 1 in any number, then product will be itself. 5 1 ja 5, 8 1 ja 8. Okay. The next property is the product of any number by 0 is 0. For example, 7 multiplied by 0, you will get always 0. Okay. The meaning is if 0 multiplied by any number, then you will get always 0. 7 into 0 is equal to 0. 9 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay. The next property is The product of two even number is an even number. The product of two even numbers is an even numbers. I hope that all of you know what is the even number. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. So for this rule I will take two even numbers 4 and 6. 4 is even number, 6 is even number. After multiplication the product will be 24. 24 is also an even number. My next example is 2 multiplied by 8. 2 is even number, 8 is even number. After multiplication you will get 16. 16 is also an even number. Okay. My next property is the product of two odd numbers is an odd number. What is the odd numbers? Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. Okay. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. For this rule I took here two odd number 5 and 3. 5 multiplied by 3 you will get 15. 15 is also an odd number. Now in second example 7 multiplied by 5. 7 is odd number, 5 is odd number. After multiplication you will get 35. 35 is also an odd number. The meaning is the product of two odd numbers is an odd numbers. Okay, as you are looking in these two examples. Now again my next topic is depend on the product of multiplication of any number. I have one question, find the product. Suppose 7365 multiplied by 328. So what will be product? Now let us see. As you are looking, 8 5 ja 40, 0 carry over is 4, 8 6 ja 48, 48 plus 4 52, 2 carry over is 5, 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 5 29, 9 is there, carry over is 2, 8 7 ja 56 plus 2 58. Okay. Now again 2 5 ja 10, 0 carry over is 1, 2 6 ja 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 carry over is 1, 2 3 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7 and 2 7 ja 14. Okay. Now again in 7365 multiplied by 3, 3 5 ja 15, 5 carry over is 1, 3 6 ja 18 plus 1 19, 9 carry over is 1, 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry over is 1, 3 7 ja 21 plus 1 22. Okay. Now then after we will add these three numbers. Okay. Now let us see 0, 2 plus 0 2, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 5 17, 7 carry over is 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 9 25, carry over is 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry over is 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4. Now this is the 2. So this is the product of these two numbers. Okay, I have one more example. Depend on the multiplication. Multiply the following: 3745 multiplied by 1196. Okay, in this multiplication what you are looking now, let us we see. 6 5s are 30, 0 carry over is 3, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 27, carry over is 2, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 2 44, carry over is 4, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 4 22. Okay, now 9 multiplied by 3745, 9 5s are 45, carry over is 4, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 4 40, 0 carry over is 4, 9 7s are 63 plus 4 67, carry over is 6, 9 3s are 27 plus 6 33. Okay, again 1 multiplied by 3745, 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4, 7 1s are 7, 3 1s are 3. Again 1 multiplied by 3745. So now let us we see. 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4, 7 1s are 7 and 3 1s are 3. After multiplication, now let us we add all these numbers. Let us we see. 0 7 plus 5 12, 2 carry over is 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry over is 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 5 19, 9 carry over is 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 4 17, 7 carry over is 1, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7 1, 7 plus 7 14, 4 carry over is 1, 1 plus 3 4. So this is the product of these two numbers. How will you read these numbers? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this number will be, after each and every question, please you will write the answer in separate line. 44 lakh 79,020. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So answer is 44 lakh 79,020. Okay, so my dear students, all these questions depend on the properties of multiplication. I think it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and your exam. Thank you. God bless you.